Do you find the sound of rain soothing or relaxing? If you answer yes to that question, then you likely haven't had to work a muddy job site where you've had to scrape off 20 pounds of clay off your boots every 15 minutes. With that rain also comes the concern of erosion, which is today's subject. My name is Troy Mairs. I'm here with PowerPack, and today we're talking about the importance of silt fencing. All too often we're finding silt fences installed incorrectly. Then they fail, then you have an erosion problem on your hands. So we're going to go through some of the do's and don'ts for how to properly install silt fences. Number one, don't just hammer the stakes in the ground and walk away. I'm looking at you because I know you've done it, because I've also done it as well, until I learned that there was a proper way to do it. So after today, no more excuses. 2, dig a small trench, at least 4 inches deep, and hammer the stakes into said trench. Then bury the fabric up to the red mark line on the silt fence fabric. That is what it's there for, after all. When you lay it, try to avoid wadding up the fabric that you're burying. Now the fabric should be laid and buried on the job site side of the fence, creating a nice arc pattern to prevent any further erosion. Now as you go to lay out your silt fence run, I'll show you here, don't create a sharp U or V section of the fence run. Try to make the run as smooth and even as possible to prevent erosion buildup in any one area. Lastly, don't just set it and forget it. Be sure to check your fencing regularly, especially after it just rained a good deal, to make sure it's still operating like it should. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit powerpack.net to learn more. Until next time, stay dry. Nope, can't do it. Until next time, stay safe.